In this video, we'll show you how to install AceMoney on your Mac OS. After downloading the program, open your Downloads folder and click on AceMoney Setup.pkg. Click Continue. Next, you will see the license agreement. Scroll through and click Continue. Click on Agree to continue installation. Click on Install. You'll get a dialog box that will prompt you to authorize installation of your new software on your Mac. Enter your Macintosh system username and password to continue. This should only take a short time. At this point, the installation of AceMoney is complete. The next step is to register your new software. Open the email you received when you purchased the software. You'll need to copy the name and code exactly as it appears in the email. When you launch AceMoney for the first time, you'll see a dialog box prompting you for this information. Click on Enter the code. The easiest way to make sure you have the name and registration code exactly as it appears in the email is to copy and paste them into the boxes. Highlight the name and click Command-C to copy. Paste it into the name field by pressing Ctrl-V. Remember to use Ctrl-V and not Command-V to paste. Repeat this process for the code. At this point, your software is registered and ready to run for the first time. When you open AceMoney for the first time, it will prompt you for your preferences of language, default currency, and date format. You can always change these preferences later by using the Tools Options menu in the program. Next, you'll be given the option to load a sample file. This is just a file you can use to familiarize yourself with how the program works before entering all of your own data. If you answer no, you'll start with an empty file. The sample file will show you examples of the different types of accounts, such as the checking account, cash, credit, and investment accounts. AceMoney also includes extensive online help files. When you click on Help for the first time, you'll be prompted to install the Online Help Viewer. That installation should only take a few moments. Once installation completes, you'll have access to online and searchable help files. To set up your new AceMoney file, choose File, New, and click OK. Now you're ready to start entering your financial data.